Page 53, Cruel Woman. This is a blues piece. And let's check and see if this is in that 12-bar blues progression. It's key of C major. Let's look at the left hand. It's usually easier if you just look at the harmony, not the melody so much. The melody could be doing most anything. So I'm going to look at the left hand. We start with a C chord. That's a 1 chord. Next measure is a 1 chord. The next measure is actually a 1 chord, but it's got a blues note added in. Similar to what we had on the previous video. And we have 2 measures of that. That's 4 measures of 1 chord. And then in the second line, second measure, it's a 4 chord. Another 4 chord. And then in the third line, we're back to the 1 chord again. We get 2 measures of that. And then the third line, last measure, that's a 5 chord. The last line is a 4 chord. And then 2 measures of 1 chord. It's a 12-bar blues progression. Yes, this piece works like that. And that's the harmony. Right hand, let's look at this rhythm. It's got dotted rhythms in it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And at the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and. See a dotted rhythm? This time the short note came first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's tied. And if you get those 2 measures, you got the rhythm pretty much throughout, because that's really what it is. So to give you an example of the first line, I'd prefer you be able to get this rhythm on your own, but I'll help you out a little. And then it goes through the 12-bar progression. This is a blues piece, and it is within the style of blues music. When you play it, you swing the 8th notes. You just automatically swing them. Swinging them means to play them long, short, or uneven. So you're, instead of counting 1 and 2 and 3, etc., you count 1 and 2 and 3. So you swing your count, and then you just play accordingly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. You get the idea? And I'm going to do that because it's a blues piece and that's the style. You automatically do it. If the composer or arranger wants you to play them evenly, they have to put a note in the music, play evenly. Otherwise, you're expected to swing all 8th notes, and only the 8th notes, nothing else. So let's try this out. 4/4 time will give us 4 counts. Actually, it's in common time, but that's the same as 4/4. I use them interchangeably. C position to start. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, rest.